Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for Copycat Olive Garden Gnocchi Soup. For this recipe, you'll need chicken breasts, onion, celery, carrots, spinach, butter, flour, garlic, dried thyme, chicken stock, heavy cream, and of course potato gnocchi. Begin by preparing and combining the celery, onions, and carrots in a mixing bowl. Roughly chop the spinach and set it aside in its own separate mixing bowl as well. Next, cube the chicken breasts. Then, melt a tablespoon of the butter in a large Dutch oven over medium heat. Now, brown the cubed chicken on all sides. Salt and pepper the cubed chicken, and once it's browned on all sides, remove it from the Dutch oven and set it aside. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Add the remaining butter to the Dutch oven, then add the vegetable mixture and saute until thoroughly softened. Stir in the minced garlic and saute for another minute or two. Once the vegetables are softened and the garlic is aromatic, stir in the flour, ensuring the vegetables are thoroughly coated. Allow the flour to cook with the vegetables for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring frequently. Slowly pour in the chicken stock while stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Once a thick soup is formed, stir the cooked, cubed chicken back into the pot, then add the gnocchi. Bring the soup to a boil for about 6 to 7 minutes or until it's softened. Lastly, reduce the heat to low and stir in the heavy cream, chopped spinach, and dried thyme. Bring the soup to a slow simmer to warm through and serve hot with freshly baked breadsticks. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your Copycat Olive Garden Gnocchi Soup turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.